Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this problem, a truck driver is broadcasting from their CB radio a radio transmission, which is an electromagnetic wave. And this radio wave, we're told, has a frequency of 26.965 megahertz. Now there's a simple equation that we can use to find the wavelength of this, and that's lambda, the wavelength, is equal to the velocity of the wave divided by the frequency. So that means that what we need to find first is the velocity. Since this is an electromagnetic wave, then we know that it travels at the speed of light, which is just c equal to 2.9979 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Plugging all this into our equation, we'll get that lambda, the wavelength, is equal to 2.9979 10 to the 8 meters per second divided by 26.965. And now, because this is megahertz, you might recall that hertz has units equal to 1 over second, or seconds to the minus 1. You might see it written. We want to use a factor of 10 to the 6, which is what the megahertz is. M is 10 to the 6th power. So the frequency that we're using here is 26.965 times 10 to the 6th seconds to the minus 1. And now that our units for both are in seconds here, we're going to get a wavelength equal to about 11.118 meters.